Thank you for your interest in Direct Cellars Monthly Wine Club. I know, the big question you have is how are we going to pay you to drink premium wine? And I get it. Well, that's the easy part. Instead of using traditional advertising methods like paying a fat cat marketing firm, and then paying for television, radio, internet, and print ads, Direct Cellars has decided to use that budget to pay its most valuable asset. It's already existing customers that know the value of what's being offered and already love the product. Companies spend millions and even billions of dollars per year on advertising. Wouldn't you be happier if some of the businesses you already frequent started paying you a part of those millions? I know I would. Direct Cellars is flipping the wine industry on its head by paying you, the customer, a commission for every person you tell about this exciting wine club. And to top that, they are going to let you build a residual income that will pay you month after month on that same person. Now, that's exciting. Yes, it does require a purchase to get started and become a customer of Direct Cellars. But I think if you take a few minutes and learn the details, you'll see, like many others, that this is not only a great wine club, but a great opportunity as well. Please fill out the short form below to learn more. And don't worry, your information is safe and secure. We will never spam you or sell your information. Now's the time to be excited for your future with Direct Cellars.